Riadha bora katika mbio za Eldoret City Marathon watatuzwa rasmi katika hafla itakayoandaliwa tarehe 22 mwezi Oktoba mjini Eldoret. Washindi wa mbio za kilomita 42 Mercy Kipchumba na Victor Kipchirchir watatuzwa shilingi milioni 3.5 kila mmoja.
October 2021 is the day that we will award our winners their prizes. And by then, we know also that our sponsors have been waiting, so we will be sending our invitation to all our sponsors and all the people who wants to sponsor the marathon next year. The first athlete we will pay 3.5 million. That is male and female, each going home with 3.5 million. And we will pay 1 to 20 ladies and 1 to 20 men. A total prize will be about 18 million. That is the prize that we will be giving during the presentation.
Hapo sina budi kutia kikomo kwenye taarifa za KTN leo wiki.